We made a full exhaust out of PVC pipe.
Yeah, your car has no exhaust on it, right?
Yeah, it sucks. So as you can see, Berkey's car doesn't even have an exhaust on it. So we're gonna go ahead and we are gonna complete his exhaust system out of PVC pipe and see what happens. So just looking at the system, it looks like it's gonna be pretty easy, pretty straightforward. We'll probably need about 2 45-degree bends to get this shape here taken care of. And then we're gonna need a few 90s to go above the axle, back, come back down, and then out the rear. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna hit the Home Depot and see if we could get all of the pieces we need to make this happen. It's 1.5 inch pipe.
So the size of your pin.
Yeah, we need at least 4 of those.
Where's the kit? What is this toy called?
I don't know, a periscope. All right, so yeah, we're gonna need 4 of those, 2 of these.
2 of it?
Yeah, 4 elbows, 2 45s, and then 1 section of pipe should be good enough. Get some of this so our exhaust doesn't fly apart. All right, let's start this project. We're just mocking it up right now. Now we're gonna have to start putting our bends in it so that we could clear everything. We're trying to make it the shape of the factory exhaust. Where do you think we should cut it?
We cut it like right here and
Put the 45 right there?
Maybe we bring it way over here.
Yeah, that looked good right there. You gotta just bring it back more.
Like here, somewhere.
Yeah. Oh, dude, that's perfect.
Looks pretty funny.
So if that's there and we cut it here, and then we go 90 straight up here, 90, 90, 90.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
We'll try it.
I think that's it right there. Get our 90s going.
Pretty funny. Oh yeah.
We might even be able to use a 45 right there.
We got one more.
Like that.
Through the factory exhaust, looks like it went up through this way.
Yeah.
I think maybe like a foot and a half or something. Maybe.
Yeah. Oh, dude, that is perfect. And then we do a straight piece off of that.
Yeah, let's just cut a long straight piece.
Oh yeah, dude. That's it right there. That's it for sure.
Something a little different here.
Dude, that's mint. So we have the full shape of the entire exhaust system here. We're just gonna go ahead and mark them so we can pull them all apart and glue them together. Oh, that stuff smells real strong.
eBay plumber.
No sign of moving.
Check this out. This is the basic shape of the exhaust done. We're going with a time period correct exhaust tip. A little bit of bozo action going on here. So we're gonna quickly glue the rest of our joints together and it should be done.
You might want to tell them what that is, because some people might not know what bozo means.
They know who bozo is. This is what bozo is. Give me a little bit on joint number 5 here.
On the outside?
On the outside of 5, yeah.
Oh god.
Oh, that's good, dude. We're mint. There she is, dude. Our exhaust is done.
Now we gotta hang it.
Yep, zip ties. Dude, that's it. There it is. That's the full PVC exhaust system right there. All right, we're gonna quickly lower the car and see if everything clears and see if we're good to fire this thing up. You're good. All right, little inspection before we start it. Everything looks good to go, so let's hear what this thing sounds like. All right, this is it. It's definitely coming good. I feel it from all the way up here. Yeah, it doesn't sound bad. It sounds like what a straight pipe would sound like. How does it sound from in there?
Sounds kind of normal.
Wrap it a little bit. Oh! mean, dude, it definitely works.
That's low-key bozo, dude.
All right, before we actually go drive this thing around, we're gonna see how hot that got the PVC.
It's a little warm here.
Is it warm? I mean, I'm not surprised. All right, let's go drive it. Gotta take precautions if we're taking this thing out on the street. A little bit of a just in case. Here, pass me the extinguisher. Let me keep this up front. Safety first, everybody. All right, this is it. Buckle up for safety. It's so much quieter. It really is. You guys ready? Oh yeah, we're ready. This is it, guys. PVC exhaust. Not bad. It's definitely quieter, that's all I know. It doesn't have that drone when it ended right underneath us. Gas it a little bit. Gas it a little bit. Oh man. Smell plastic. Yeah, I can smell it a little. I got the extinguisher ready to go. Vape, dude. HaggardVaping.com. Let's see. All right, so post-inspection here, we had 2 failure points. One right here, the glue couldn't hold, or maybe this got hot and melted a little bit. That's a little bit misshaped. It's a little bit deformed right there. So that's failure point 1. Failure point 2, over here, where the exhaust met the PVC initially, we have massive deformation on the end right there. As you can see, it is not round anymore. And like right here is real hot. I mean, that's expected, it's an exhaust. So to wrap this video up, can you make an exhaust system out of PVC pipe? Not really. Exhaust gets too hot for this plastic stuff and just doesn't really work. Heat and plastic don't mix well together. On a side note though, check this out. We got our own line of vape juice, HaggardVaping.com, link in the description.
So a lot of people in the comments have been saying like, oh no, don't ruin this car, like this is a nice old car, and I wholeheartedly agree. This is actually my own personal car. I bought this while we were over here, and I don't really know what all I'm gonna do with it fully, but this is not a car we got just to do like dumb videos with and stuff. I actually got this just so I could build it and possibly drive it back across the country all the way to Pennsylvania whenever I get it all done. You guys can go over and check out my channel. I'm gonna have a bunch of videos on this stuff. I'm gonna do a smog delete, hopefully a turbo. I'm gonna do a 5-speed swap. A lot of exciting stuff's coming for sure. If anybody has parts for KE70, TE72, Toyota Corolla wagon, this has a 3TC. I'm interested, I have cash, I'm looking for parts. DM me on Instagram. Before I let you guys go, I want to point out this sick event that you should make it to if you are in the Northwest. It is called Takeover Northwest. It's in Oregon. Link will be in the description. I want you guys right now to head over to that site, pick up a spectator pass, get a ride along in the crazy 5-seater party cart. It'll be a good time. Do it. Link in the description.
Kind of fast.
It's
Whoa, it's kind of fast.
all right. We are literally driving around the great city of Seattle. Oh, did you hear the turbo?
Yeah.
Ready? Tell us a little bit about this thing.